In the rush of life, we sometimes forget the moments that matter the most. The perfect Mother's Day gift has been quietly waiting, hidden away. A cherished heirloom, once radiant, now dim with time, echoing the love that's always been enough. What if we could turn back time? This Mother's Day, cherish the power of memories with your family heirlooms and breathe new life into precious mementos. Get the most meaningful gift that tells a story with My Jewelry Repair. For moments that matter.